Hello everybody, welcome to maths lecture. So in the previous lecture we have started revision of lesson number 12, perimeter and area. Okay, we have solved some basic few sums based on perimeter. Okay, we have also revised the formulas of perimeter of square and perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of square. Perimeter of a square. What is the formula? 4 into sides of a square. 4 into side of a square. And perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Okay, so this is the formulas for finding perimeter of square and perimeter of rectangle. Now let's solve these sums. First, question number 1. The sides of a rectangular field are having length 150 meter and breadth 100 meter. Find the perimeter of the field. Now, what they have given, there is a rectangular field, okay, whose length is 150 meters and breadth is 100 meters. Okay, we have to find out the perimeter of the rectangular field. Now, in the last lecture only we have revised that perimeter is the measurement of the outer surface of any closed figure. Okay, so here they have given you length of field, rectangular field is 150 meter and breadth as 100 meters. So we have to find out the perimeter. First, we will write down the given information. Length of a rectangular field 150 meters. Similarly, breadth 100 meters. We have to find out the perimeter. So perimeter of a rectangular field is equal to formula 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. 2 into length 150 plus 2 into breadth 100. 2 into 150 300 plus 2 into 100 100. 200. 2 into 100 200. 300 plus 200 500 meters. So here is your perimeter of rectangular field. Therefore, perimeter of a rectangular field is 500 meters. Okay, you have to just put these values into the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Okay, next one. If each side of a square is 8 centimeter, then what is the perimeter of square? What they have given here is your square. Okay, they have given you that side, each side of square is 8 centimeter. Now square is having all the sides of same length. So if one side is 8 centimeter, all the other sides are also 8 centimeter. Okay, so we have to find out the perimeter of square. First, side of a square 8 centimeter. We have to find out perimeter. So perimeter of a square is equal to formula 4 into side of a square. Why 4? Because square have 4 sides. So 4 into length of one side, that is 8. 4 into 8, 32 centimeters. So therefore perimeter of a square is 32 centimeters. Okay. Next. Now pay carefully attention. Okay. One square field is having one side of it is of 225 meters. Soham makes 6 rounds of the square field daily. How much distance is covered by him? Write in kilometer and meter. Now what they have given, see, there is a square shaped field. There is a square shaped field. Okay. With each side, means one side of 225 meters. Now square has all the sides of equal measurement. So if one side is 225 meter, then all sides are 225 meter. Okay. So what they have given, Soham makes 6 rounds of the square field daily. Then how much the distance covered by him? Write in kilometers and meters. So first they have given you side of a square field, 225 meters. Okay. So he makes 6 rounds of the square field daily. But first we need to find out the if Soham makes 1 round of the square field, then how will distance he will cover in 1 round? So for that we have to find out perimeter. Okay. For finding distance covered by Soham for making 1 round of the square field, first we have to find out perimeter. Okay. Perimeter is the total measurement of the outer surface of the closed figure. Yes or no? So first we have to find out the distance covered by Soham for making 1 round around the square field. So for that we have to find out perimeter. So therefore perimeter of a square field is equal to 4 into side of a square. This is the formula for finding perimeter of square. So 4 into 225. 4 5s are 20, to carry 4 2s are 8 10, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. So 900 meter. Okay, 900 meter is the perimeter of a square. Means he covers a distance of 900 meter for making one round. Okay. Therefore, Soham covers a distance of 900 meter for making one round. But we have to find out that how much distance he covers for making 6 rounds. So therefore, Soham makes 6 rounds. So therefore, 900 meter into 6 rounds, that is 5400 meters. Yes or no? We have got the perimeter of a square. Okay, 900 meters. It means it takes the distance of 900 meter to make a one round around the square field. But he makes 6 rounds. So perimeter, that is 900 multiplied by 6, 5400 meters. But they have asked you to write down in kilometers and meters format. So 5 kilometers, 400 meters. Okay. So therefore, total distance covered by Soham for making 6 rounds around square field is 5 kilometers, 400 meter. Got it? Okay. Now the last one. A rectangular field whose length is 500 meters and breadth is 32 meters. So they have given you a rectangular field whose length is 58 meters and breadth is 32 meters. Okay, what they have given you? The fencing the field by 4 rounds with a wire. What length of wire is required? First, we will just write down the given information. Length of a rectangular field 58 meters. Similarly, breadth 32 meters. So what they have given, fencing the field by 4 rounds with a wire, means they have to put a fencing around the field by 4 rounds of a wire. Okay, 4 rounds with a wire. So first we have to find out the measurement of the wire, that is the perimeter of the rectangular field. Okay, by 1 round with a wire. Okay, by fencing of 1 round with a wire. So for finding the fence by 1 round, we need to find out perimeter. Therefore, perimeter of a rectangular field is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth formula. Then 2 into 58 plus 2 into 32. 2. 16, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11 plus 64, 0, 180 meters. So therefore perimeter of a rectangular field is 180 meter, means we required 180 meter of wire for fencing by 1 round. But what they have given, but fencing is done by 4 rounds. So therefore 180 meter into 4. Okay. So 720 rupees. Okay. So we required, we required the length of the wire required for fencing the field by 4 rounds is 720 meters. Okay. Understood? Now they have given that if cost of 1 meter of wire is 75 rupees, therefore cost of 1 meter wire is given 75 rupees. So we have to find out that total expenditure, the total cost of fencing the field. We required 720 meters of wire. Okay, so therefore total cost of 720 meter of wire is equal to 720 into 75. Let us multiply 720 into 75. ₹54,000. So rupees 54,000 is the total expenditure made on fencing the field. Okay. This sum is just like previous sum, question number 3. Just here they have given you additional information, the cost of 1 meter wire. Okay, we have to just multiply the total length of wire, that is 720 meter, into the cost of 1 meter wire, 75. So you will get the answer 54,000. Okay. So I hope you might have understood. Practice these sums into your maths notebook. We will meet in the next lecture with the further sums. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy and take care. Thank you.